Hi guys, welcome back to our course on NumPy. In our previous lecture, we solved some examples based on the methods offered by the random module of NumPy. And today we are going to take a look at random permutations. So let's get started. Today we are going to execute our code in the Jupyter notebook. I'll teach you how to set up Jupyter notebook in the next lecture. So let's start with today's topic. So a random permutation refers to an arrangement of elements. For example, take an array with the values 4, 3, 2, 1. So it is a random permutation of 1, 2, 3, 4 and vice versa. So just with a sequence, we can make several different arrangements or combinations. So they are called as permutations. So a lot of other permutations are possible as well. But the NumPy methods which we are going to study today, they give only one permutation on passing a sequence. So we get only one random permutation on passing a sequence or an array. So a lot of permutations are possible that can be calculated using the formula npx, but here we'll get only one random permutation by using methods of NumPy random module. So NumPy random module has two methods to find out the random permutation. The first method is the shuffle method. So for that I need to create an array first. So I've created an array, and now to get a permutation I need to write np.random.shuffle and I have to pass the array name. Now I'm going to print the shuffled array first to get a permutation. So it gave me an error because I have not imported NumPy. So let me just import NumPy as np first, and let me run this cell again. Now let me just print the array after shuffling. So I got the result as 42135, which is a permutation of 12345. Also note that this shuffle method makes changes to the original array. So if I write print np.random.shuffle and I pass the array name, I'll get no result or the result as none. Now the second method is using the permutation method. So now let's create an array again, the same array. We created the same array again because it has been shuffled. So now I created the array again and I use the method permutation. So I need to write np.random.permutation and I need to pass the array name as arr. So I got another permutation of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let me print the original array as well. So I'll print array name or arr and I'll hit enter or run this cell by shift plus enter. Now I got the original array as well as you can see the array after permutation. Now shuffled array makes changes to the original array while the permutation method does not make changes to the original array. Please note this. This is a very important observation to make. Also note that if you want changes in original array, you need to use the shuffle method, and if you don't want any changes in the original array, you need to use the permutation method, because you need to choose according to the situation that you are in. Now there's an assignment for you. Create an array using rand int method. So create an array using the int method of the random module of NumPy. Sort that array using sort method, and the third objective is to find the random permutation for that array or the sorted array. So in today's lecture, we covered random permutations and the shuffle and permutation method to obtain a random permutation. That will be all for today. This video is brought to you by Programming Knowledge. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell button for updates, and stay tuned with us for next lecture. Thank you.